Hi guys, so I've just bought this KTM. Just wanted to do a little 3-minute review of this because that's as long as the reels you can put on Instagram. So okay, I'll just start off with the basic stuff. The seat, decently comfortable. Okay, maybe it'll be comfortable for a 2-hour, 3-hour ride, 2-hour maybe. After that, I think your bum will get a little sore, so you'll have to kind of like handle around that. Then of course the suspension. Now you can see I'm going through a little rough patch. So the thing is, the bike goes through rough patch easy. Can you sit on it while it goes? No. Okay, I think that's only you can do on the X-Pulse. That's about it. The X-Pulse has that very good suspension. I had an X-Pulse before. I don't think so you can do that on any bike. I had a Himalayan before this. You can't even do that on this. On that. So yeah, suspension wise, but it's got a preload suspension setup which you can get changed according to your weight. Maybe post that will get a little bit better. And now you see you can see that when I'm going through the bumps I'm making this noise because it does kind of take your wind out, so you have to stand on the bike. The bike can do it, your body might not be able to. The mirrors are great. Okay, they're like big chunky mirrors, so you can see everything which is coming behind you. I didn't really find them very appealing looks wise, but they do the job. Okay, it doesn't have a fuel meter, which you all know, so as soon as it hits reserve, get it refilled, because it's got 2.5 liters of fuel in it. Okay, post that. Other things like the pickup, of course it's a KTM, it's 46-47, all of us know how KTMs ride, so it rides the same way. I have had a KTM 390 Duke as well as a ADV, and I think this is better than both of them. The ADV was fun though. Duke, not a great suspension, so not really sure where that's going to find out. Okay, one thing about this bike, it's a very vibey bike. It's got a lot of vibrations on it, and you can generally like kind of feel the vibes coming in your hand. But the surprising part is that, okay, see, so now it's a single cylinder, see the way it bounces. Now see, as soon as I'm going here, I see vibes. Okay, I still got vibes. As soon as you start hitting speeds up to 75, 80, 85, the bike starts kind of the vibes actually kind of stop. So that's great right there. So overall it's a great bike. You'll enjoy off-roading on it. I think you can do touring on it as well if you can figure out the fueling part, because you'll always have to keep getting it refilled. It's a 9-liter tank, So even if you say it's a 10-liter tank at 27-28 mileage, it will give you a 280-300 range. So yeah, overall I think the bike's fun. It's a looker. Most people who see it look at it. So this is part 1. I'll probably make a better review once I go on the highway. And thank you so much.